It's like a blizzard here in Buffalo, and I'm about to go to my mom's house and endure the storm. Wow, my pockets are soaked from the four-wheeler. Oh, alright, guess I can't put my phone in my pocket. So we are going to my mom's, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Where's my boots? Oh, they're there. Wow, I'm an idiot. Okay, so we're gonna wear these. We got the keys. Let's go. Oh God, we gotta put the four-wheeler away. Holy shit! Look at how deep this is. All right. Look at how much it snowed! Holy crap! I do have to say that the camera does not do this justice at all. There's so much snow out there. I was out here less than 20 minutes ago. Alright. Okay. Whew. It is freezing. As I was saying oh my goodness, look at this. Look at how deep this is. Like, are you serious? These are my four-wheeler tracks, which were like basically down to the pavement before, and now, ew, why does it smell so bad? And now, oh my goodness. All right, this is gonna be fun. I love driving in the snow. I don't know about y'all, but driving in the snow for me is super fun. Oh, okay. All right, so I've been home for probably about an hour or two. That's how much snow is on there. Holy shit, it's freaking cold out! Oh my God, I can't believe how cold it is out. I can't believe how cold it is out. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going for it. We're going. Alright, guys. So we're going for it now. We're gonna call Mike, and we're going for the journey. Wow, I can't, look at this guy, just pulled in, there's no way he's getting out.
Yes.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing. Alright, well, I'm on my way to my mom's house. I just put my four-wheeler back in the garage, or back in the, back in the
Put it
barn.
back where I had it?
Yeah, back where you had it.
Okay.
But I didn't back it in though. But, something might be wrong with it. I don't know if it's just because it's cold, but it did not want to start. Like, it started and it ran, like, kind of spitter-sputtery, like idling, with the choke on, and then I let it warm up for a while, and I turned the choke off, and it just like died. And then I went to go start it again, and it seemed like the battery was dead, maybe. But then it all of a sudden I just grabbed it and started, and then it ran. I mean, it ran great. And then once it was running for a while, it was fine. But
yeah.
I just thought, I was just wondering if maybe you had an issue with it when you were starting it the other day, yesterday or whatever.
Alright, there you go.
Oh, okay. Well, be careful. Call me.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you, bye.
Phone call
All right,
completed.
y'all, so, wow. Here's what we're working with. 4 o'clock. The road definitely has not been plowed. Cars are struggling. Look at that. But I have a Jeep, so, I mean, I have my 4-wheel drive on. There's probably about 6 inches on the road, maybe more, maybe less. But I think my windshield wiper is about to break, so that's not really good. But we're making it. We're going. Oh, good. We got some plowage on this road, so that's good. I bet you my road isn't plowed though, so that'll be not good. But I'm going to my house right now for tacos, so you gotta weather the storm for tacos, you know? That's worth it, wouldn't you say? I would say it's worth it. But that was just Mike that I was talking to, yeah. But I don't. You guys probably heard the conversation because I had the camera on. So my 4-wheeler was running kind of. Well, it wasn't running funny, but it was like starting funny. So was that my mother? Oh, that might not have been my mother. It might have been though. Maybe I should call her and tell her I'm on my way over. I'm gonna call her. Person's driving with their hazards.
Hi, sweetie. Well, where are you?
I'm on my way over. Where are you?
Oh, Sarah, you have to stop and get me sour cream. I don't have any.
I can't. I'm almost...
At Marilla. They have it at Marilla. Emily and Adam are about to cry.
Cry? They can live without sour cream.
They love sour cream on their tacos.
Oh, well.
There's coming over right now to eat. Yeah.
There's a blizzard. I can't.
I can't believe you're. Is Mike with you?
No, he has to go plow his driveways.
What?
He has to go plow his driveways. Did you see how much it snowed?
Oh yeah, because Adam's worried. Sarah, can you have a little taco? There's enough here.
I thought you were making enough for me.
I am. I made a whole pound. They're just for Sarah. I need to. You'll have two, don't worry. There's more meat here than you think. Be careful. If you don't want sour cream, I guess I'm just going to have to squeeze out the rest for them. They're not going to like it.
They'll be fine. I mean, seriously. Adam should be out driving in this right now.
Oh, yeah, okay.
He should. It's
I
good.
can't believe that you came out, honey. You shouldn't have.
Why? It's not even that bad.
All right, well, be careful, please. I'm just fishing them out. So, no, she's not. She doesn't like sour cream.
All right, bye.
All right.
Phone call completed.
It is a blizzard. And the tires on the Jeep are a little bit bald too, so. There was a time in my life when I had a car. It was terrible. Like, I do not know how people own cars living around here. Like, there are so many hills that if the road is not plowed, you're not making it up those hills in a car. It's just not something that possibly can occur because there's just not enough ground clearance. There's not enough power. Like, it just doesn't happen. So, needless to say, I traded the car in after one winter with it because it was a nightmare plowing their driveways, and I mean, Mike has to go plow because he has contracts. He has a plow truck, so I might have just be alone tonight because he's gonna be out plowing all night, you know? Not good. Oh, we're sliding. We're sliding. Whoa, my driveway is fucking really... My driveway is full of snow. Alright, we made it, everyone. We made it to mi casa. We made it. We're going in. I'm gonna probably leave the GoPro. Oh, I'll bring the GoPro in. Come on. You little snow dog. Say hey, is it cold out there? Is it cold out there, Say Good. He's driving a Camaro in the snow right now. Like, are they retarded? Is this person retarded? Like, that person actually might be possibly retarded. Like, who drives a Camaro in the snow?